Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this lecture we are going to learn how to install Azure AD Connect and initiate the synchronization process. Here we will see how to create a group account to test your synchronization and the change group membership, and how to forcefully or manually synchronization. And in the task 5 we will learn how to validate the result. So guys, this is our exercise 2 of lab 3, learning part 3 of MS 102 Microsoft 365 Administrator Essential course. And in my previous exercise 1, we show how we set up our synchronization environment already. So guys, I will request you first you go through the previous video and then you go through this one. So let's switch back to our environment, lab environment. So first of all guys, make sure that you are in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So if not, log in with your admin credential, which has the sufficient privilege to perform the task. So I have logged on as a global administrator, and now click on the navigation menu, and here you have the users. Click on the user, active user, and here you have ellipsis. So click on the ellipsis, and here you see we have directory synchronization. So just click on this one. It will open a new tab here. So about user synchronization, what to expect, you can learn these things. Currently you can see that in my lab environment there are 36 cloud users, but there is no hybrid user. Hybrid user are the users which have account in on-premise as well as account in cloud. And as you can see, the sync status, direct sync is off and password sync is off. So click on next, and now it is asking for adding a user. So as you can see that there are different options, like you want to add a cloud only user, one time sync, or you have continuous sync. One time sync is you will just it will sync only one time, and continuous sync will keep syncing your objects on a continuous or regular basis. And cloud only, add cloud only users, it is just based on your MS 365, like cloud based. So the users are not related with your on-premise. Okay, so now for our lab environment, we are going with the continuous, or you have another options, troubleshooting. So if you want, you can go with the troubleshooting as well. Okay, so if you think that there is some issues between your your Azure AD and the on-premise AD, if there is a problem with your synchronization, if your objects are not synchronizing properly, then you can use this option. So for the time being, we are going with the continuous synchronization. Now prepare by running ID fix. So guys, we have already run this tool in our previous lesson. We have already done that one. Okay, so there is nothing to do. Otherwise you have the options to download and run it. So since we have already performed the task, so we don't need to do that. Otherwise, in your lab, if you in your environment, if you have not done that before, you have to do it. Okay, check this. So we are just going to the next step. Now, synchronizations tools. So as you can see that there are different options. So Azure AD Cloud Sync, Azure AD Connect, and help me to decide. So actually the first option provide you synchronizations between your cloud. It runs in your cloud environment. Now if we talk about the Azure AD Connect, so it is for as on premise as well as cloud environment. And if you don't know which one to go with, you can use the help me decide. Say next. And now we have the continuous synchronization. So here if you go here, now you see this, we have different options. So you can learn about those things. It's the documentations available. So we are going with continuous synchronization. So download Azure AD Connect. Open the MSI file. Say next. It is already installed. Select this option. So continue. Now we have customized and we have express settings. So guys, we have already covered this topic in my MS MD102 lab. So you can refer to that course video which I have already uploaded before. So let's go with the express setting here this time. Guys, you need to enter your global administrator's credential here. Say next. And for the on-premise, you need enterprise administrator's credential. So it is done, and then select this option, say next, and click on install. So guys, as you can see that the task has been completed. So I'm just going to click on exit. Now if we go here, services, go to services, and sorry, go to should be here. Yeah, as you can see here, Azure AD Connect. So if you open this, you have different option here. So click on the synchronization service. Now see the logs, start time, status, profile name, name, end time. So we have logs here that you can actually use to verify. Now there are other options available that you can actually explore. If you click here, operation, actually connection operation, can you see that? This is the default tab. So when you open Synchronization Service Manager, the default option that you will that will be selected is your operations. Now guys, if you go here in your Microsoft 365, say next, we have to wait. You can see now if you click on access, manage, now similarly if you go on cloud sync, you can check your audit log, your agent's status, your insights. If you click on the Azure, now if we go to the user, all users, now as you can see here, on premise user, yes. So you can check your status that your users, on premise users, have been synchronized successfully. So let's go, let us move to our task number 2. Create group account for test synchronization. So go to the server manager, go to the tools, open Active Directory user and computer, and you can see that there are some built-in groups. These are the default groups. So you see we have print operator, and if we click on the members, there is no member in this group, and if I say so, we have added few users here to this group, and we say OK. Now similarly you can create your group. So click here and name your group. Group scope universal and group type security. So we have created one group here. Now if I click here, we can define our email address for the group, and members, click add. So we have added 3 users to this group as well. Now let's see how we change group membership to test your synchronization. So you see, as you see that we have a group here named as research. So if you click here, if you go to the members, now we are going to remove few users. Done. So we are going to close our Active Directory user and computer server manager. And now let's see how we perform on-demand synchronization. So to do that, open the PowerShell. As a run as administrator, and then you have to run a start AD sync cycle command. So now we have to run our command. So as you can see, the message success. Now we need to validate our result. So to validate our result, let's go here and group all group let's go research members. Now you see this, those users are not there in this group. Similarly, if we look at our printer group, this is not selected. Close this. Microsoft 365, navigation, team and group, and here we have security group. So as you can see that a print group is not there, so that's mean the group has not yet been synchronized. Okay, now because print group is a inbuilt group. Okay, but if you look at this research, the users have been removed. And even if and you can see manufacturing group. Okay, this group we have created, so you can see that the group has been synchronized successfully as well. So let's going back here on the PowerShell, and we are going to install a module for Microsoft Graph. Now click yes to all. Wait for the installations to get completed. So we are installing Microsoft Graph group. Now this time we will install the module for Graph user. So wait for the task to get completed. Now say yes to all. Done. And now we are going to import the module since we have installed. Import the both module. Done. And let's connect to our Microsoft Graph. It will ask for authentication. So select your user, enter the credential, select connect on behalf of and say accept. And now you can simply run get Microsoft Graph group, and it will show you the list of all the groups that you have currently. And if you want to check the group members, so you have to use get mg group member commandlet. For example, we want to see the members of let's go with the market. No, there is, where is manufacturer? Yeah. So as you can see, manufacturer. So I'm just going to copy this ID okay, and now I am going to say clear the screen, and I say and let's go. So you can see the list of the users ID. Thank you guys for watching my this video, and I hope this video will definitely help you to enhance your knowledge level and help you to meet your requirement as well in your work environment. Guys, requesting you to please subscribe my channel, press the bell button so that whenever I upload any video, so you will be notified. Guys, I am going to upload almost 150 different course related videos very soon. So I'm requesting you, please let the people know and let the people help grow as well. So share my link with your friends, your colleagues. Ask them to subscribe my channel as well. And thank you guys for giving me the love and appreciating my work. See you very soon in my next video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.